Hi guys and welcome to today's video. So today we're back at Brækby again for the last mission for this event, which was Civil War 2016 Volume 2. Brækby is a military training facility in Denmark with a lot of houses. It's like a small town made out of brick houses. Yeah, so the mission is actually not really that interesting. We're just trying to hold off the enemy waves coming in to attack the city. We are in the city hall right now, me and Olsen, and just trying to hold them back for the time being.
Fuck, jeg sidder godt. Det er lækkert.
We've just spotted the first groups of enemies coming in.
På hjørnet. Nå, er det der bagved?
Nico! Volden er derude!
At this point, the enemies are actually at the outskirts of the town and on the other side of the houses.
Ja, de er ikke indenfor i den, tror jeg.
Nej, de er ikke indenfor, han var lige på gang.
Ham sniperen der.
Nico, de er ved bygning 6 nu!
Længere nede, ja. De kigger lige før.
Fuck! Nico! De er mindst 5 derinde nu! Længere hårdt derovre.
Ja.
Hvad? Ja, jamen der er lige en ny del, der er smuttet den vej der. Vi er åben.
Han løber, han løber, han løber, han løber!
Hus 5!
Hus 5 står han ved! Hus 5 på bagsiden!
We're being told by Subia and the rest of the guys that there are a lot of enemies at the kill house, so we decide to move there to get rid of them.
Ja! Det gør Olsen.
Kom tilbage og så nedkæmpe, og så frem igen.
And for this mission, I do also have some gameplay from Subi's point of view. So while a few guys and I decide to go straight for the kill house, Subi and a few other guys are moving a flank around to get them from the side.
Der er en nede. Det er nede på enden af kildhavn. På enden af kildhavn.
Jeg lader.
Ind. Længere. Stille og roligt. Hold hovedet nede. Engage, engage, engage. Hernede. Hernede.
Jeg står nede ved den igen. Kom nu.
We decide to regroup outside and prepare for another breach.
Hvilken side?
Højre. Ind nu. Jeg kommer ud på venstre side langs skoven. Skift.
So after the kill house is cleared, we decide to regroup and talk upon how to advance on further.
Hey! Kom!
Skyd på fødderne! Skyd på fødderne!
Derfrem!
So this can always happen, and that's one thing that we learned from this. We should have had some guys holding security while we were regrouping, but well, this happens sometimes. At least we did get to fight some more bad guys before the game ended, because this was actually about 10 minutes or so before the game ended, as of I remember, and as of what I can see from the gameplay, but nothing of interest really happened afterwards. We just ran on further, but there were no real interesting engagements after that, so I'll just be ending the series here. So I do really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do remember to hit that thumbs up button and comment if you have any questions about the video or anything else. Also, you can subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these types of videos. Next weekend actually, we're going to another Milsim event that I'll be the host for, but I'll still be on one of the teams. Operation Roaring Bear, so look forward to that when the gameplay comes out for it. I am really hyped for it myself, so yeah, as I said, look forward to seeing some gameplay from there. Otherwise, I'm not really sure. Check out my Instagram, of course, always, if you want to see some cool airsoft pictures. Fernhill_airsoft it's called. And that's about it. See you for the next video. Bye.